When it comes to tackling diverse terrains and unpredictable conditions, BF Goodrich stands as a venerable name in the tire industry. With the release of the highly anticipated BF Goodrich KO3 All Terrain Tire, off-road enthusiasts are eager to discover if it surpasses its predecessor, the widely acclaimed KO2. In this comprehensive review, we delve into the key features, performance, and overall value proposition of both tires, aiming to provide a detailed comparison that aids drivers in making an informed choice for their off-road adventures. BF Goodrich KO3, mastering all terrains, exceptional durability, priced at $310. The BF Goodrich KO3 boasts an advanced design focused on durability. Its reinforced carcass and optimized tread pattern enhance resistance to cuts, scrapes, and wear, ensuring longevity even in the most demanding conditions. The 10-ply construction adds to its robustness, providing maximum load carrying capacity for adventurous drivers. Superior traction on all terrains. The KO3's aggressive tread pattern and interlocking rubber blocks set the stage for superior traction. Whether navigating wet, dry, snowy, or muddy roads, this tire guarantees consistent grip and stability. The open shoulder design further enhances traction in challenging conditions, making it a reliable choice for drivers seeking performance across diverse terrains. Driving comfort. While prioritizing performance, the KO3 doesn't compromise on comfort. Its thoughtful construction minimizes rolling noise, ensuring a quieter and more enjoyable drive. The even distribution of pressure across the contact surface not only contributes to prolonged driving comfort but also promotes better fuel economy. BF Goodrich KO2, a time-tested all-season warrior, priced at $285. The BF Goodrich KO2 has earned its reputation as a trusted all-season, all-terrain tire, holding the 3-peak mountain snowflake certification. It excels in extreme winter weather conditions. Let's delve into its key features. CoreGuard technology. The KO2 showcases CoreGuard technology, making it BF Goodrich's toughest all-season tire. A split and bruise-resistant sidewall, along with angled saw blade side biters, provides extra traction and debris deflection. This technology ensures optimal on- and off-road performance, making the KO2 a versatile choice for various driving conditions. Aggressive tread design. The KO2's aggressive tread design is a standout feature, offering maximum traction and handling. Large interlocking tread blocks with 3D sipes run deep into the tread, providing ultimate grip and flexibility. Rugged, staggered shoulder blocks are designed to scoop mud out, offering superior traction in challenging conditions and supporting snow-on-snow traction. Tread life and warranty. The KO2 comes with an 80,000 kilometers manufacturer's tread wear limited warranty, showcasing its commitment to longevity. Additionally, a 60-day satisfaction guarantee and a standard 6-year manufacturer's limited warranty covering defects in artistry and materials further enhance the tire's value proposition. In conclusion, both the BF Goodrich KO2 and the new BF Goodrich KO3 All Terrain tires offer exceptional performance and durability. While the KO2 excels in extreme winter conditions and boasts a solid track record, the KO3 introduces advanced technology and promises superior traction and comfort. Ultimately, the choice between the two depends on your driving needs and preferences. If you prioritize winter performance and reliability, a KO2 remains a top contender. However, if you seek cutting-edge technology and enhanced traction across all terrains, the KO3 emerges as a compelling option. Whichever tire you choose, BF Goodrich continue to uphold its legacy of excellence, delivering quality tires that redefine the driving experience. So, gear up, hit the road, and let your adventures unfold with confidence, knowing you're equipped with the best in the business.